Hello and welcome to my personal training coaching program. My name is Angel Rodian. I started my business as a personal trainer 12 years ago, and then I built my business. I get a lot of clients, and then other people ask me how I did it. So that's how I moved into coaching for personal trainers, and here I am today, 12 years later, helping a lot of clients from all over the world to start and grow their online coaching personal training business. So, long story short, this is a 100% real coaching from myself in live Zoom calls and private group. So, what this program does, it will show you at no cost. Okay, so you don't need to pay me anything. This is to build relationship, but as I mentioned, this is real coaching. So consider this is a 500 per month coaching program, but you get this for free. Consider the first month free. You don't have any contract. You don't need to continue if you don't feel like you get a lot from my help. Okay, so there's no contract. You don't need to sign anything. You don't need to place your credit card information. All right. So what I will help you do is I will teach you how to build a funnel that brings client. I will show you how to um, sign contracts, how to get clients for your personal training business, and build your email list. Let me show you what we'll do here. So this is from the program. So as I said, I will help you with the lead generation funnel. I will help you with the sales funnel. I will show you how to properly use an appointment calendar, how to use email marketing, how to use automation so you can have more time, more free time for yourself, and how you use a proper CRM in order to find out every step of your client journey and help them move forward with you. All right, so welcome to this 100% real coaching and for free. All right, so sign up below. There's a button. If you don't know me yet, maybe I will place more information in this website. If not, you can find me on Facebook, Angel Rodian um, Fratutescu. I'm from Romania. I've lived in Spain for 12 years. Um, so yeah, I have a long, a long and nice story. So you can find here a lot of my posts from my life and so on. You can find me on Instagram. Also, my fitness Instagram is Angel Rodian Pro Fitness. I'm also pro athlete, and here are some clients' testimonials. They got hundreds of clients, and I will help you do the same. All right. So other things that I did. I have a lot of certifications. I am a master trainer. Um, I help personal trainers. I help people to get certified as personal trainers. I'm also the examiner, so I give them the accredited diploma. I'm doing this for a lot of years, 8 years or so. I also was a fitness manager for a gym manager in 2014 up to 2016. And yeah, I won multiple contests in different countries from Europe. All right, so this is me. I can't wait to give you welcome in and see you in the Zoom calls. All right, so what we'll do, I will show you step by step. I will give you my templates. We'll use some part of AI in order to create your lead magnet really fast, simple, easy, so you can get more free time, build a real business that is sustainable, and you're happy to train your clients while having fun in your own personal life. All right, sign up below. It's 100% free. You don't need to place your card or your credit card or anything like that. I want to build a relationship with you, and if you are wondering how much my month-to-month mentorship with me, it's 500 US per month. Okay, that's if you enjoy working with me for the first month completely free, and then we can continue after that. All right, so I'm happy to have you here, and let's start building your business. Bye bye.